Hey there, it's me, Lottie, and today I'm just taking a walk outside in this spring rain. It's just the perfect temperature. It's not cold, not too hot. It's not too much of a downpour. I don't know, I'm really liking it. Just scoping out things. Looking at the raindrops hitting the pond, listening to the rain and listening to the birds. Those are blackbirds. Okay. Coming down a little heavier now, but for some reason I just felt like I wanted to be out in it, seeing a few things, visiting this area of the forest that I didn't realize on the edge last year was quite a substantial cleavers patch, and it's back. I will have to remember that for this year. Black raspberries, red raspberries starting to leaf out. Gorgeous patch of deliciousness, even if they do get on my nerves. Look at all these brambles. This is the autumn olive tree leafing out. It's interesting because can you see how, see if I can, it's not letting me zoom in on this, but the leaves have little brown spots on the back of them, really tiny, and it's just like the berries do. The berries have little silver dots. And in the spring when this flowers, the flowers smell amazing. They smell like vanilla. They're beautiful. I wonder, I'm gonna have to look in to see what could be done with those autumn olive flowers. Maybe an infused oil of some sort. Everybody, says autumn olives are invasive, and I get that. But maybe we can figure out something to do with them, right? I don't know what kind of tree this is. Look at that thorn. I wonder, is this a hawthorn? I'm not sure. I'm gonna post this in my plant identification group. Do you see the thorns? I mean, that. Bink! That's like an accident waiting to happen. It's coming down a little harder now. I probably should go in. I don't have an umbrella or anything. But it was just enjoyable to walk around. And I'm really pleased with the nettles. This one is the smallest one, but she still seems very established. These are like the three bears. There's the baby one. Then this might be the mama one. She's bigger, abundant, looking good. And this one is the tallest, even though it's not the widest. So, oh, and there's another plant coming off of it too. Ah, yes. Oh, and there's another plant coming off of it too. Probably gonna have more nettles than I know what to do with soon. I don't know if that would ever happen. Having more than I know what to do with. Very happy to see this patch coming along. Roses. Wild rose starting to leaf out. These are white roses. And another autumn olive tree. Like I said, it's just a glorious, cleansing spring rain. Sometimes you just want to get out, feel it. Looking at everything that's popping up. All the different life. Lots of little burdock getting itself ready. Nice little patch of violets getting themselves ready. The other thing I noticed right here near the garage is a beautiful catnip plant. I mean, it's big already. Not only that, there's another one. Not only that, there's another one. So, and I see two more in the distance, there and there. So, this is some medicine that I will definitely be collecting on a day when it's not raining. Here are the hay bales, waiting patiently to become a garden. I either have to pee on these or get some blood meal or some nitrogen of some sort. Still trying to decide what I want to do. And then we'll just take a look. Oh, such a beautiful, beautiful plant. This here. Lady's mantle. Look at those leaves. How they collect the rain. They also collect the morning dew. And I've heard that it's a magical dew. It's great in face preparations. Got a lot going on here. Oregano. The oregano is booming as always. This oregano is always booming. This is agrimony. That's just getting started, getting itself together. This is lovage. Lovage is in the celery family. It's also in the osha family. Well, it's in the parsley. I don't know. Let me get my facts straight. Smells amazing. It's great in soups and stews. I love to put this in my fire cider and my herb vinegars. It gives it such a good depth of flavor. This is my rue plant. Do not be fooled. She is in there. Look it. See that? She will be booming. Don't you even be fooled by the ruo. I need to trim it back probably. I could do that. But yeah, she's bossy. She's bossy, but beautiful, and beautiful. And this is the mugwort. Mugwort just starting to get itself together. This little patch here. I love this little area. This is my herbs for spiritual work, magic work, and culinary work. I love this. I know it looks wild, but I like it like that. I like it like that. Ooh, and here's Barbara. Barbara Rue, the rhubarb plant. Now look, you see this here? That looks like a flower about to bloom, which we have to trim back. Have to trim back the flowers. Oh, I see maybe another one too. Oh, wait a minute, hold on. I need to get in here because I see Barbara's been busy. Barbara's been busy. She's so generous. We're gonna do strawberry rhubarb, maybe strawberry rhubarb jelly, strawberry rhubarb pie, all the things. All right, well, I just wanted to share. Like I said, it's a rainy spring day here at Vandalia. I hope you're having a peaceful day. Reflect. Maybe make some delicious food. Spend some time with your loved ones. All right. Until the next video, take care.